Well, I was just coming to scope this out, the gap, and unfortunately somebody has had a, I don't know if that really want to fill a hole in after the lip for the landing with that, because that could flick up into your wheel. So bit longer now. Now you definitely got to get over that wooden thing. I don't want to make the same mistake I did on there. That's all right there. And of course this, nah, you don't want to be sending that. Wow. Oh, here we go. This. Oh. Alright, there we go. It's very red and clay like, which slow it down there. Go into these too fast, and then we're really slowing it down here because I'm not sure. There we go. Surprisingly, it's not too slippery. I think that's because the soil here is not as clay-like as at the top. Be wary. Yep, dust has gone. Oh, be careful of that. I'm really scoping it. Oh, crikey, there's a exposed root or log. Yeah. It's getting used to things, isn't it? Getting used to this new surface. Oh, that is sketchy down there, just because of the roots being wet. Oh, look at that. I think. Yeah. We'll have a look at the caveman first. Definitely damped down now. An eye out for logs, roots and slippery stones. As you can see, speed is no more. It's going to be very hard without losing traction. Rained heavily this morning, but you can still enjoy riding this as long as you take it steady. I feel like I could definitely drop air pressure to get better traction. Yeah, braking, yeah. See, we're not sliding as much. The tyres are hooking up already better with the ground. It's just these here we can ride out. Yeah, I mean, when those routes dry out, you can ride over them again. But this is the trouble you've got in the wet. It's the I mean, over in Ganol Vower, which is across the road on the other side, I think it's more to do with the soil over there. It's more red clay-like soil. There we are. Oh, a little sniper route after the jump there. A couple of stones sticking above the earth, and oh, that is slippery. Be careful. And here we are, next trail. More sort of chunky rock and debris on this trail. We've still got wet roots though. This is more about looking for the best line now. There's the stump drop. Definitely not trying that now. Glistening surface of rocks and roots. That's enough to, like there, there's two roots. You wouldn't even think about it when it's dry. It wouldn't stand out. It just looks matte, like a matte finish. When it's been raining, it literally, your brain is like, no, it's wet. Some roots here. Ooh, just stay perpendicular to those. We're very rooty here. Got a stump, all sorts going on. Oh, tyre skidded then on a root. There we are. One part of me is like, do I carry on? Because it is pretty sketchy. Alright, let's go and have a look. See how it rides in the wet. Oh, we're straight over a root there. Oh, quite rooty and branchy, but it looks like somebody has done a little bit of clearing. So thank you. I think I know who that might be as well. Richard. Possibly. Or it could be Andy. Or Steve. Somebody. Oh. Yeah, so this is where it starts getting a little bit steep, and yeah, the trail is wet and slippery. Oh, crikey. And Normally you would ride over that. I'm going to go to the left here. Oh, it does smell here. Proper some. Oh, here we are, look. Oh. Looking. Be over here. There we are. Go to the left. There. There we are. It's going to be potentially slippery. A couple of logs placed down there. So the sensors are up now. What else is that? Oh, yeah. Oh, I can get right back. Yep. Oh, we got some slippery roots at the top. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah. So we need to get right back over the back wheel on this and on the brakes. Oh. To be fair, I was expecting it to be a lot slipperier than that. Fair dues, that Michelin Wild 2.6 e-bike spec. Oh, a few wet roots. Oh. And get down at the tarmac here. Oh. Now we've got a bit of water running down it. Take it steady. Where am I going? I'm man at work. Whoop. Oh, a couple of roots. Carry on down a bit. Oh, yeah. You just got to be really careful of those roots. But the earth is literally like hero dirt in places. Take the low line here. Ooh. Yeah. There's a man at work. A slippy XC. Just to see how slippy it is after the rain. Well, I'd say the soil is not that slippery. Oh crikey, yeah, there were some roots there. That wasn't even the worst bit. Oh, a little gap between the root and the tree. I know that difficult bit is coming up. I'm going to get in the right gear. Let's take it steady. We don't want that back wheel spinning. Ooh, here it is. Oh, crikey. Yeah, just very gently pedaling over those. Ganol downhill. David's tree there. Thank you, David. A good group of local mountain bikers in Cardiff, you know. It's a pleasure to be in a sport which doesn't necessitate like 100% commitment to dates and all that. Like when I used to play golf, you know, you didn't want to let anyone down, and you'd be playing in a 4-ball, and you know, you'd be turning up with the flu. And it's not like that in mountain biking. You make a few dates now and then, and even then, you know, there's no massive commitment because we all ride solo. Essentially, we're all lone wolves that sometimes pack together, and I like that. I like the freedom of that. And oh, these routes. Oh. We can just cut in here, take it steady. Again, scoping out earth and trail conditions. Oh my goodness, let the bunny hop over that route. Oh my goodness. Some sniper routes on the left there. Little dab of the foot there, had to. And then we got lots of routes here on the off camber. So the trail itself is actually grippy. It's just the roots, just got to be wary of those.